This is a 2014 Toyota Highlander, and I installed this hitch that I purchased from Amazon. I will put a link in the description below. To bolt the hitch on the frame of the car is really a two-man job, but I'm gonna show you how I successfully did it without any help. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. So this is a Kurt hitch. I paid about $140 something for it. The hitch didn't come in any package or anything. It came just like this. It came with all the accessories there, and as you can see right there, it came with a few scratches, but that's okay. I am going to touch up these spots after the installation. So they stored all the accessories in the hitch. In the bag are washers and bolts, along with the installation manual. If you intend to reinstall the plastic trim under the car, you will need to follow the instructions here to make adjustments to that plastic trim so it fits with the hitch. So these are the bolts and washer that I will be using. Now I'm going to remove the plastic trim on the driver's side under the car. First, remove 3 bolts and 1 plastic clip. So there are 2 plastic clips that are made on the plastic trim. So I'm going to use a clip removal tool to remove this plastic trim. And I place the clip removal tool above the trim to brace it out. Now I'm working on the plastic trim on the passenger side. This trim has 3 bolts and 1 clip. This one is easier to remove. Now there are 7 grommets that we need to remove from the frame of the car. 5 is on the driver's side and 2 is on the passenger side. I'm going to first remove these 5 on the driver's side. Now on the passenger side, we need to remove 2 bolts that holds the toe bracket. That's where the hitch will go. So I will use my impact wrench to remove these first 2 bolts. And that's a bracket right there that the plastic trim was screwed onto. We won't be using this anymore. And those are the 2 clips that we need to remove as well. Before installing the hatch, we need to trim this piece of the bumper right here 2 inches from the edge. Now we can install the hitch. I'm going to first catch 1 bolt at one end. Then I'll move to the other end. But sadly, I did not get to record that section of the installation process. But what I did, I lay under the car and use my body to hold up the hitch. It's very difficult and it would be easier if you have help. Even though the hitch is heavy, I use my knee to brace it up so that I could catch the first bolt. If you have help, this would be way much easier. So I'm now going to fasten all 6 bolts. After I got them snug, I use a torque wrench to tighten all bolts to 86 foot-pounds as per the instruction manual. Now I replaced the passenger side plastic trim. That's the easy part. That trim doesn't need any adjustment to reinstall because of the installation of the hitch. We will only be able to install 2 of the 3 bolts along with 1 plastic clip. Now let's move to the driver side, but this side won't be able to just install as the passenger side. We need to make some cuts on the plastic trim for the driver side before we will be able to do the installation. So there is a guide provided. You just need to follow the guide to do your cuts. I tried to do as little cut as possible, but that didn't work. So you gotta go by the manual because they already did all the measurement for us. I'm using a mini wood saw. It worked great for me. So we need to cut all the way down. But I was just doing a test to see if I could fit it without cutting all the way down. But I will need to cut all the way down. We also need to make a cut on the side here, 2 inches down and 3 inches across. So I'm just carefully making the cut. Now I'm making the final cut as per the manual. As I said before, I was trying to avoid making so many cuts, but it's necessary in order for it to fit. So there is no shortcut here. And I need to cut a little piece more from the side right here. And now this plastic trim is ready to go. So I first start from the 2 clips on the side there. Then I work the plastic trim in the bumper. Now I'm there testing to see if the cut is okay, and I'm seeing that the cut is fine. Now it's just to reinstall the 3 bolts and the 1 plastic clip, and then we're done with the installation of the hitch. So here we go. This is the hitch right here, fully installed. Thanks for watching, guys. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe.